first RAM that I've removed. That's my DDR3. As you can see, DDR3 4GB RAM, and this is the second RAM I removed. So the first thing is I'm going to put this RAM on the first slot, yeah, and check if this is working. I'm just going to push it in. All good. And then I'm going to start my computer and see if it's working. So I've turned on. You can see the power. So still I'm getting the black screen. So that's the first RAM slot that I've tried it on. So I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to pop the RAM out. And I'm going to try the second slot. So because the problem might be with the first slot of the RAM. So I'm going to just try the second slot, just push it in, and then all the way through. Then again, turn the PC on to see if it's working. The power is coming. It's all good here. And still the computer is having the black screen. It's totally black. So either the RAM should be the problem. So still I can't tell you which is the problem until I try my next RAM. So I'm going to turn off my computer. Turned off. And then, so this RAM has not been working with the first slot and the second slot. So I'm taking out my RAM. So this is the one which is not working. And I'm going to try the second RAM on the first slot. Push it in, push it down, push the power button, and see if it's working. See, as you can see, the computer is turning on, so which means that I have a problem with this RAM. So this needs a replacement. I tried cleaning it with my brush. I used an eraser. I never put a liquid onto it because it's a circuit. I don't want to damage it, but I think this is the problem. So I need a replacement of a DDR3 RAM. So as you can see, the computer is totally fine. The computer is working, and it's all good. So the simple fix is that you need to just check the RAM. So the RAM might be the problem. So that's simple as that. And thank you for watching, guys, and do subscribe, and thank you very much.